Getting in my 10,000 steps, and look what I see over there across the field. Is that poppies? What?
Off-road. Gotta check it out.
Oh my goodness. Look at this. This is the end of the nature path right next to a dirt road. I've walked here many times and never seen this before. I can't quite catch the butterflies. It's pretty surprising how many varieties of wildflowers you can find if you just take the time to look. This must be what heaven's like. Okay, it's September and I'm back at that field with the poppies. This is what it looks like now. Right over here is the path where I walked and took photos into the field in that direction. I came here today because I thought I'd find some poppy seed pods to take pictures of, but this is all that's growing here right now. I think this is aster. I'm not 100% sure. Let me know if you know. There's some primrose and some cornflower. Is that a rudbeckia? And of course we have Queen Anne's lace. Coneflower. Is that tickweed? And the ladybug. What's that? Buttonflower? I just found a poppy. Some more of what looks like... Oh, I know what this is. The name is gone though. Is that a Cosmo? Ooh, pink poppy. Some white poppies. This is what I was looking for, seed pods. This one's tiny, by the way. I think I found what I was looking for.